Our planet Earth is home to millions of living creatures, but among this huge diversity, there are animals so rare that you can only find them in very specific places. Some look completely unusual, and others live hidden lives in remote corners of the world. In this video, we are going to explore some of the rarest animals that still exist today, and you may have never even heard of them before. Let's dive in. Let's start with one of the strangest creatures on Earth, the axolotl, also known as the walking fish. But it is not actually a fish, it is an amphibian found only in lakes near Mexico City. What makes it so unusual is that it never fully grows up. It keeps its larval features all its life, like the feathery gills sticking out of its head. Even more amazing, the axolotl can regenerate body parts, arms, legs, the spinal cord, and even parts of its brain. Sadly, it's critically endangered due to pollution and loss of habitat. Our second animal is the sole. Sometimes called the Asian unicorn, it was only discovered by scientists in 1992, which shows how rare it really is. Soles live in the dense forests along the Laos-Vietnam border, and they're so elusive that very few people have ever seen one in the wild. They're recognized by their long, parallel horns and their striking white facial markings because of their rarity. Many people call the sole the hidden beast of Asia. Next is the kakapo, a parrot unlike any other. And like most parrots, the kakapo cannot fly. It's a large, nocturnal parrot found only in New Zealand. Instead of flying, it walks and climbs, and it can live for an incredibly long time. Up to 90 years. During breeding season, males produce deep, booming calls that echo across the forests. At one point, the kakapo nearly went extinct, but thanks to conservation efforts, its numbers are slowly increasing again. At first glance, you might mistake it for a reptile. But the pangolin is actually a mammal. It's covered in tough, overlapping scales made of keratin, the same material as our fingernails. When threatened, the pangolin curls up into a tight ball, making it almost impossible for predators to attack. They live in parts of Asia and Africa, but sadly, they're the most trafficked mammal in the world, and they're critically endangered. This next animal looks like a mix of several creatures. It has the body of a horse, stripes like a zebra, and a neck related to a giraffe. This is the okapi, found deep in the rainforests of the Democratic Republic of Congo. It's actually the closest living relative of the giraffe, but with a much shorter neck. The okapi is very shy and secretive, which is why people call it the ghost of the forest. And finally, let's meet a bird that looks almost prehistoric, the shoebill stork. This massive bird lives in the swamps of Central Africa. Its most striking feature is its huge, shoe-shaped beak, which it uses to catch large fish and even small crocodiles. Its size and piercing stare make it look like something from a science fiction movie. But in reality, it spends most of its time standing perfectly still, waiting for prey. So, those were just a few of the rarest and most unusual animals still living on Earth today. These creatures aren't just fascinating, they are a reminder of how unique and fragile our planet's biodiversity really is. And fortunately, many of them are threatened with extinction due to human activity and environmental changes. Which one amazed you the most? Let me know in the comments, and if you'd like me to make a part 2 about even stranger animals, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.